So I'm gonna try to explain the note seeds feature that I created. Um, what it does is it helps create literature notes. So I have a podcast and it's a Gregory Frost podcast, right? I made some citations, over here. Each one is HLC citum is a citum, and I've grouped them up and try and have a thought process, and I've made some note seeds and I've placed them inside there. If it gets too long, sometimes this can be like 100 note seeds, right? And so you kind of want a way to sort of bookmark them, right? And so what I've made is a thing to be able to scrape these note seeds that has that green sign. And so let me do the code for that. Note seeds, right? In this code, I've already set it up so that it scrapes note seeds in particular, right? And so it generates this node seed and it scrapes. I think claim that Batman is cool and NCU UI. So if I delete this, the I claim Batman is cool, then refresh. All right, it takes it out. So it's also useful because like what happens if there's another section TLDR, and I sort of want the same thing, right? Was it the keyword was node seeds, right? So I do the same thing here. TLDR section on Greg Frost. It's the same thing here, and it puts it out in blue and green. So the first one, it's in order too. So the green one, TLDR section on Greg Frost, and then the second note seed for you to work on in the future while you're on this note, on this kind of analysis structural note, right? And so this is an example of a structural note combined with a literature note. This helps you write a pipeline as you're thinking. The cool thing about this is that if I write it wrong, or if I specifically it specifically scrapes the bookmark node seed and grabs the root node. So when I do this, it automatically refreshes and it takes away the first node seed because I took away the S. Right? If I put it back again, uh, give or take a couple seconds of refresh for data view, it should refresh. But if you don't want to wait, you can just press this, and it will refresh. Let me just delete this because I'm not exactly that's not exactly what I want to do. And then there, perfect. All right, that's it for